안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I will start this video with a short introduction about me. My name is Nikki and I was born in Germany, but my parents are from Poland. I've been studying Korean for well over 10 years now, and I have a bachelor's degree in East Asian Studies and Korean language. Currently, I'm studying at Seoul National University for a master's degree in Korean language education, 한국어 교육, as well as the University of Tübingen for a double degree. I've achieved a topic level of 5 in Korean in February last year, and I aim to pass level 6 in topic soon. What is a wrong answer note or 오답노트? In this video, I will be talking about the TOPIK 오답노트 from mastertopic.com, or also called TOPIK Prep Note. You can download this PDF from the Master Topic website. I'll put a link down in the description box. How to study for the topic? Well, there are two ways. If you're the first time taker of a topic exam, I recommend to go to the Master Topic website and watch the online courses to learn more about the different types of topic questions and get the explanations from the teachers, and then just do a mock test. There's also a second way to study for the topic. Maybe it's not your first time and you want to get a very high score, then I recommend to take the mock test first and then use the e-learning on the Master Topic website. After doing all of that, it's good to use the topic prep note or the wrong answer notes, where you can review everything that you did wrong in the exam and write everything down, so you have an organized collections of all your mistakes. Let's look at the way to create or prepare a topic prep note. First, you can print out the paper and just use it as a normal paper where you write it on it with a pen, or you can download the PDF and use it on a tablet, on your phone, or even on your computer. Next, you will have to mark the sections, then create a screenshot of the wrong question and look at it in detail so that you can reread it and study for the topic. You can analyze it and see what you did wrong and even find the reason for your error. And then you can review the content. You can write down all the unfamiliar words and also sentences that you did not understand. Lastly, you can review the questions and the options. So how do I create a study plan? First, as we can see on the right side, we can just write like your name and how long you will study, also how often in a week and how many hours. And the most important part is to write what level your aim is, so that you always have your aim in view and you know what you're studying. But how exactly can I use this 오답노트? Let's look at some examples. So first we have the 회차, where we can put the number, the 영역 like 듣기, 읽기, 쓰기, the category, and then the number of the question, like number 25. For the listening, for example, we can always write the script, like we can write down everything here so that it's easier to understand the question and the text. Next, we will have to find the key sentences or the problems that we have with the listening script, and then also we can mark them down and look at the 문제 that are offered. On the right side, we see the most important note sections. First, we can look at the problem. What was wrong here? Was it maybe the vocabulary that you misunderstood, or the grammar, or even the content of the text, or not being able to understand the subject, or even a small error? Next, we have the part where we can summarize and write down all of the unknown and unfamiliar words, for example, and also the sentences that were very difficult to understand. We can write some new important grammar or even translate a sentence whenever it was too hard to understand. Next, we will look at the content and see if we did understand the text correctly or the listening. First, we will write about the subject, like what is the main subject of the listening part. And next, we will make 3 points where we summarize the most important contents of the text. Lastly, we have the 정답 check, the check for the correct answer. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 in here. We can mark the correct answer and then even write on the right side why 1, 2, or 3 are wrong and why number 4 is correct. This will help us to understand why this is the correct answer and why the other ones do not fit. Also, when doing a reading part, I recommend taking a screenshot of the question and putting it inside here to check it later. Let's see how I study with this template. I chose the reading question, therefore I put the screenshot inside of this note. I took it from the Master Topic website, the mock tests. And I just put the text above and then I take out the question, the answers. Then I mark all the words that I don't know or that are new to me so that I can quickly check them and put them in the table on the right side easier. After that, I marked some of the important sentences that I misunderstood or that I thought that are quite difficult so that I can easily find them. So let's start to fill in the topic prep note. My biggest problem were the vocabulary and the understanding of the contents, and then I decided to write down the difficult words that were new to me. First the Korean, and then on the right side the English translation. For a good overview of the difficult sentences, I just numbered them 1 and 2, and I also decided to write the translation underneath. I just took, as I just said, the most difficult sentences, wrote down the difficult parts, and also translated it. Next is the 내용 check or the content check of the text. First, I thought about the main subject of this text, and also what kind of summary I want to write down, like the key sentences or the key meanings. As you can see, I mark it down here, like what the subject is. And then I also write down the sentences for the summary. Last but not least is the 정답 check, the check for the correct answer. So number 2 was correct, 1 and 3 and 4 was wrong. For the wrong answers, I tried to find the wrong vocabulary that was used or the wrong expressions to have a reason to know why it was wrong. And for the correct one, I just I tried to find a similar word that fits it. And with this you can see that number 2 is the correct answer. So you might ask now, what is the advantage of using the wrong answer sheet? Well, there are many advantages when using this kind of topic prep note. First, you can improve your concentration by organizing where the mistakes were made and also by seeing what was difficult for you, so you can focus on that while studying. Next, it also improves your memory. So when you write down the incorrect answers with the vocabulary and the meaning of the sentences and so on, and then you review them, then you can enhance your memory. Third, you can also enhance your problem-solving ability, which is very important for a language exam. You can do that by creating an incorrect answer note, like I just showed you, and then you can identify where you made the mistakes in a particular type of question, and then this can help you solve similar questions when they appear in the real exam. Lastly is the way you prepare for the exam. When writing the error notes, you write down the incorrect answers, and this will help you identify your problem areas and find some solutions, because you write down what you did wrong and then you learn how to cope with it. And based on this, you can then prepare more thoroughly for the exam. Overall, writing down incorrect answers is a really important factor when trying to pass the topic exam, and then reviewing these questions you got wrong in the test will help you improve your skills and prepare you more thoroughly for exams and thus achieve a higher score. I hope this video was helpful, and I wish you good luck when taking the topic exam. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!